Hello! All right, are you ready to set up your sacred studio space? You don't have a studio space? That's okay. The most important thing about setting up a professional artist's space is that you do it. It doesn't even matter where it is. It could be in your backyard, in a park. It could be in your living room on the floor. It could be on the side corner of your couch. It could be on your bed. And I'm an intuitive artist and entrepreneur and the founder and creator, teacher of the I Am Code, which is an online art school for intuitive artists. So if you want to learn more about that, you can write in the comments or you can email me directly, and all the links are below. So be sure to check those out and connect with me and book a call with me if you're interested in taking your art to the next level and becoming a professional intuitive artist. In college, I shared a tiny little tiny room with my best friend, and we both had our two beds in the room with a piano between us, and I used my bed as my art studio. And so my sheets, it was kind of gross, but like old school Justine artist was kind of gross. So I painted, and if I got paint on my sheets, I didn't care. It was just a place to paint where I was comfortable, where I could totally just express myself no matter what. So the number one thing to do is just set it up. If you need to put a drop cloth down or a bunch of newspaper down, just do it and get your supplies out and begin. Begin. Professional artists become professional artists because they choose to be dedicated, committed, devoted to their craft. So if you do one thing for me, for yourself today, set up your art studio. I just got this awesome house and got to set up the art studio in the second living room, which is in the heart of the house. I'm so grateful that my husband let me do it and that I get to create right when I wake up and the stuff is already set up, ready to go. That's something I love about having the freedom to have a space where you can set everything up just yourself and leave it there for yourself to come back to. I also have another trick which you can do. If you have some chest of drawers of some kind, I have a small chest of drawers and I have my art supplies open, like pens and pencils and watercolors. They are in the drawers ready to be used. So all I have to do, there's a fly in here. What is that? If you haven't yet, be sure to like and subscribe so you get notified when I make another video. So this is one of my drawers, just a bunch of pens and markers and supplies ready to be used. So all I have to do when I'm ready to clean up is shove the drawer back in. I don't have to handle each individual pen and put it back into the little fancy box. I don't do any of that. I just want my supplies to be easy to access and easy to put away if need be. And just to begin. So let's say you're traveling and you want to have a little art supply kit that you can travel with. You can use an Altoid box and you can put some little watercolor chunks in there from like a Crayola kit, and then you can put a little sponge in there, and when you're traveling you can just open that up and paint in your sketchbook. And there's so many different ways to just make your supplies work for you. Figure out what your purpose is in creating, why you're doing it, and commit to doing it today. Even if it's 5 minutes a day, if it begins with your coffee, just start. Make art with your coffee and your spoon. Be sure to watch my next video on becoming a professional intuitive artist, or one of my last videos on how to paint intuitively with no art supplies at all, no experience at all. All right, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.